Struggling with managing appointments? Learn how. GoHighLevel's automation simplifies your scheduling, eliminates chaos, and ensures every meeting is perfectly organized. Say goodbye to double bookings and conflicts. Let Dive In go to the Settings tab in the bottom left corner. Click on Calendars from the left-hand menu. Tap the Create Calendar button to set up a new calendar. Set the calendar name, availability, and slot duration. Navigate back to the Settings tab. Click on Integrations. Connect to Google or Outlook Calendar to sync your appointments. Go to the Automation tab. In the Automation tab, create email or text reminders for clients before their appointments. To integrate the calendar with your website, return to the Calendars option. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines next to the calendar and select Embed. Copy the embed code and paste it onto your website. In Calendar option, tap on Appointment tab. In the Appointments tab, monitor upcoming group sessions. Use filters to view participants by session, date, or calendar. Reschedule or cancel group appointments as needed, ensuring notifications are sent to all participants. By following these steps, you can manage group appointments seamlessly in GoHighLevel, reducing chaos and improving the overall experience for both you and your clients. And there you have it. Take control of your schedule with GoHighLevel. Start your 30-day free trial now, and don't miss our kickoff call to maximize your start. Check the video description for links. Subscribe for more tips, and see you in the next video.